Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing this parfait yogurt container. I'm actually gonna be using it for my oats overnight packets. I've been looking for an insulated container for my oats overnight, and I'm going to try this out because it has a container on top to keep your dry items away from the wet part of the oats. So let's open this up. So I'm sorry, it's a little bit dark. So this is the container. It's not very big, so this is where you're gonna put your granola, your nuts, or any kind of mixes you want to put in your oats overnight. And then let me see if there's any measurements. So this piece is insulated. I think it holds, let me just make sure, 16 ounces. And it also has a fork and a spoon, I believe. See, this is the features: insulated, leak proof, stackable, and if I like it, I may get some more. So you can use it for oats overnight, yogurt, parfait, salads, and soups. So let's open it up. So the top piece snaps on top. There's a silicone on the cover to keep it fresh, to keep your toppings fresh. The top piece, you just have to twist it. So let me twist it up. There you go. So as you can see, the ring, it snaps right over here, and I think this is a vent. So if you have soups, you can put the soups in there and vent it if it's hot. Okay, let's open the main compartment. This is the main compartment. It's plastic, and then this is the insulated inside. This is like a plastic fork. So it's like the plastic that you get, it's not very sturdy. I don't think you can bend it, and this is the sturdy part. It's a spoon, like a soup spoon. This is thicker. So let's see. So it is pretty thick. So that's what I'll be using for my oats overnight. I just need 1 cup of almond milk mixed with this oats overnight. And I think this holds 2 cups, or maybe 1.5 cups, so this is just perfect. So that is the unboxing for today. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.